Hi PlayPass viewers! So I'm back again today. You remember yesterday I took out 3 cards from the warm-up category. Now today I'm gonna draw out 3 cards from the standing category. So three ones that I've really missed and I'm so excited to add to my sequences. So the first one that I'm gonna draw out is the Malasana. I really love this one for warming up, loosening the hips, like opening the chest. Really, yeah, I know a lot of you have been missing this one. We have heard it not just one time, okay? So I know that you're excited for this one. Another one that I want to talk about is Skandasana, that I also really love. In a flow, moving from side to side, it can be a really like flowy hip opening fantastic thing to add to your standing series. This is one that I have personally also really missed, and I'm super excited that we now have it. Okay, the third one that I believe that a lot of you have been missing, I'm quite sure, is the goddess pose. So another one that really, you know, for your spine, for your hips, for your, yeah, everything. This is another really great one. This is a good one to add with your Skandasana as well, you know, you're gonna flow down. Yes, okay. So these are the cards that I picked for today, and then tune in again tomorrow and I will move over to the balancing category. All right, see you tomorrow.